Speaking of birds, while we were building, this happened.
Bro, the bird! It's coming right at us! Oh my god.
Yo!
Oh my god, it's a bird! Yo!
Yes!
This is crazy.
We should name him.
What's his name?
Brian.
Brian!
Brian!
Brian. What if you went and caught some fish? I know. He's looking at me. He understands.
Jimmy, just say the word.
Put the knife away.
Okay, I'll put the knife away.
And the hatchet. Brian, that was a joke.
Forget the bird! We gotta build a shelter!
And while Brian watched, we worked on our first shelter for the rest of the day. Except for my friend Tariq, who spent the entire day getting cool drone shots. And I'm not even mad about it.